The value Welty brought to this project was their willingness to get entrenched into what we're doing. They really became a partner with us. They weren't a contractor that was at arm's length from us. They really were involved with all of the decision making. We had weekly meetings. We had a lot of communication as to what was going on. There were really no surprises as we were moving through the building.
We were looking for a proven construction manager that had a proven track record of being able to deliver projects on time, on budget, but also willing to help make sure that we were getting the quality that we were interested in and fill gaps in knowledge that we didn't necessarily have about where building standards have gone and what the functionality of buildings today is.
The West Akron campus is a LEED Gold certified building. It was the first building that FirstEnergy had built to that level. Welty embraced that whole concept by working with us, working with the architect who was a LEED certified architect, understanding that process, and our certification came immediately.
The response from the occupants of this building has been superb. They like the openness, they like all the amenities with the cafeteria, with the fitness center, just the ability to be able to walk. It's got a campus-like feel. We use this as really a marketing tool to get young people to come and work for FirstEnergy. It turned out to be a showcase for that as well.
When we built the West Akron campus, we did a traditional construction. We did a design, bid, build. And Welty was the general contractor that received the bid. We learned from that process that there's a better approach for us, and that's the construction manager approach. You kind of blur the lines as to we're FirstEnergy, they're Welty. It's just really one team working together on that. And that really was an improvement over how we had done things in the past.
When it came time to build the Akron Control Center, I think Welty was obviously our first choice from the beginning. We had already worked with Welty on the West Akron campus. We knew that Welty had been the construction manager for the Goodyear headquarters, and across the board, excellent reputation for quality, excellent reputation for looking out for the customer's needs, which to me is what was important because I'm in the customer service business too. And if you put the customer first, it's going to drive the right kind of decisions, the right kind of behaviors. And I think Welty always puts their customer first.
I think what I valued most about the way Welty's team conducted themselves during the project is they always had an open door philosophy. From the top of the organization to the bottom of the organization, I could call at any moment with any issue of any type, and I always felt comfortable that they were going to resolve it.
In any project, there are challenges that arise. They could be weather, they could be material deliveries, they could be a lot of different things. What Welty's process does is they plan for those things in advance, and their approach to how they manage projects, I think, works well to overcome any obstacles and challenges that occur.
When we tell you we're going to do something, we have a plan for how that's going to happen. Other people say, I'm going to meet your schedule, and they hope that there's going to be a way that they can get it done. Our approach to scheduling involves listening also, so we have to understand what they need. We have to understand what's important to them, what work has to be done so that they can be productive, and make sure that we've got a schedule and a plan for how to incorporate all of these various stakeholders in the project.
Welty's a professional company. They stand behind what they do. They have deep knowledge of all construction methods. They're out front with all the information. They share it with us. They really are a partner as opposed to a contractor working for us, and that's a benefit to us. Just like we have our confidence in our own people, we have confidence that Welty will get it done for us.